Yeah, hello and welcome to this next episode of demo applications built by Graphwise. This time, I would like to give you an overview of a, would say, very important application. Even in the days of LLMs and generative AI, we still are in huge demand of good search applications which can precisely detect the needle in the haystack, where refiners should be highly precise, where concept tagging plays an essential role to classify documents the right way. Just imagine you had a tons of documents related to, let's say, sustainability, ESG related topics. You would like to learn from other companies how they address their need to be ESG compliant. In that case, you have hundreds or thousands of, let's say, documents and paragraphs from ESG reports. And now you would like to start to really filter out only to find those paragraphs and disclosures which are really relevant for your particular work. And obviously here are, in this particular domain, certain dimensions are really important. For instance, maybe the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals. You would just like to look at those which talking about one particular SDG, let's say SDG 4. Yeah? And now you probably would like to further drill down and say, okay, certain sub areas of SDG like climate literacy are most important for you. And then you get to a couple of companies which have been reporting on that particular topic, like children active wear. What you get from here is this particular disclosure, and then you can also get recommendations or relations being addressed by this particular disclosure, like for instance, risks. So what you see here is also those risks which are not directly addressed, but indirectly. And this is done with this inference tagging mechanism running in the background. So the knowledge model is looked up. Certain elements are found in this disclosure. In that case, for instance, things like child labor, etc. And this would then also mean indirectly, okay, this could trigger certain risks like migration or disinformation, etc. So this is one of the elements where Graphwise really shines, because there's a knowledge model running in the background which is specifically describing elements of this knowledge domain. So you see also here, for instance, other metadata, which sciences are addressed, which risks are addressed, which elements of ESRS and the EU taxonomy are addressed. As you can imagine, same is valid when you start to filter out, let's say, not by SDGs, but maybe geography. So you would like to look only for certain areas like Europe, Eastern Europe. What's really nice with this kind of faceted search is that you get the ability to navigate in a hierarchical manner. So you can even come up with intermediary elements like certain blocks or regions, which then again contain several countries, or you just filter out by one particular country, which is mentioned then in the particular disclosures. And then, of course, you can combine that with other types of filters, like, for instance, let's say NATO countries only. And then you can filter out by industries, only agricultural industry, and voila, you have drilled down to a particular disclosure again. And again, you see attached risks, or you can now switch over to the SDGs in that case and see which of the SDGs are addressed by this disclosure. So this is one example how the PoolParty application development framework can drive search applications on top, like graph search, as it's called. And obviously, you also get powerful type ahead features. I mean, this is quite clear if you type in, for instance, health risk. You can filter out quickly by such, etc. There are different search spaces, and there are many different connectors, the document repositories. ADF can be used for search over CRM systems, document management systems, content management systems, etc. Okay, so this is a quick introduction to that piece of Graphwise, heavily used by many of our customers. Obviously, this is most frequently one of the first steps. Later on, based on these tagged repositories, GraphRag can take place, as shown in another episode of this little videos. Yeah, I hope you found it useful, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great day.